Hey, you were wondering which service is the best in the best web hosting category. Having looked at over 30 hosting sites, and this one has the most reliable security features. I have been using this hosting for about 10 years and it has never let me down. In this short video, I will show you 7 life hacks that few people know about, but which make it truly one of the best in the best web hosting category. Take a closer look at the screen. Let's get started.
InterServer provides fantastic performance and unlimited resources and many great features to improve and protect your site. It still needs to work on its support service, but given its bargain prices, you can no doubt opt for InterServer. InterServer is geared toward beginner website owners. With it, you will have no problem getting started without extensive technical knowledge. The service also offers some add-ons that may come in handy as your business grows and you need more features. Some of the most noteworthy features for beginners include free site migration and a free website builder, as well as an inexpensive domain registration, a simple control panel, and more than 450 cloud-based applications available through one-click installer, including WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, and Magento. InterServer has its shortcomings, but if you're looking for hosting that will keep your emails running well, this service is excellent for you. The company offers unlimited email accounts and guarantees email delivery. The InterServer team assures that they have solved the problem with email delivery and will not end up in the spam folder and will only be delivered to the recipient if you do not send out spam emails. InterServer offers VPS packages for WordPress that come pre-installed with WordPress. You'll also get support from WordPress experts and dedicated resources for your server, so you don't have to worry about spikes in traffic or problems you might encounter on a shared server. Another cool thing is the flexible resource scale, offering from 30GB SSD with 2TB monthly data transfers to 480GB SSDs with 32TB monthly data transfers, allowing you to choose a server with the price and size that's right for you. InterServer gives its users a 99.9% uptime guarantee thanks to its partnership with Cloudflare and data centers with robust caching. Of course, many hosting companies make similar promises, and given their service level agreement, I can tell you that in the event of excessive downtime of your site, each customer will be given credits of up to 50% of their base monthly fee. If you run a non-profit organization, InterServer will give you free hosting with unlimited disk space, bandwidth, and many email accounts, rare among such services. It's always lovely to work with a company that tries to make the world a better place. Not surprisingly, it's easy to get started with InterServer. After all, the cornerstone of their business policy is providing services to newcomers. The more accessible creating an account and setting up a site, the more likely it is the company users will prefer. This motivates the InterServer team to make the service as easy and convenient as possible. InterServer offers cPanel, which most professional web developers are already familiar with. With it, you can use the administration tools on your Linux servers without any problems, which is offered by most Linux hosting companies on the market. InterServer has partnered with Acronis and thus provides a backup feature for your valuable files and databases. Acronis is considered one of the fastest and most robust backup solutions. Despite its power, the service is not that easy to use and probably won't be suitable for novice or inexperienced site owners. If quality customer service is essential, you should look for another service. As with most things, you get what you pay for, and InterServer is a budget hosting service that cuts costs by saving money in the easiest way possible. InterServer provides a wide range of guides that help you get started. They are geared towards beginners, but many of them can help more experienced developers who are stuck on something and have no way to solve their problems. If the tips and article sections lacks the information you need, you can contact the 24/7 support team via chat or phone. Don't be surprised if they patiently listen to you and then, in addition, ask you to send a request. InterService's prices are pretty low, especially considering the functionality it offers. Plus, you can save money by taking out an annual subscription instead of a monthly one. Payment options are limited to major credit cards and PayPal. InterServer has many attractive features, so if you choose this service, you'll probably want to keep using it. If not, you'll be able to take advantage of the money-back guarantee and delete your account without any problems.